So when you get your card, it will be a long piece of card like this, and there'll be one score line there. You need to put it, landscape layout, into your scoreboard, and you need to make sure the wider piece is this side. Actually, the score line is at 8 inches, and you're going to score down 1/2 inch. Okay, now you can use your Teflon pencil tool, you can use your bone folder. Just bear in mind that our Teflon tools are lovely and they produce a really good effect, but they're not indestructible, as I found out when I cleaned the oven. So, okay, so that's our 1/2 inch there. Just going to fold that back, and then starting from the middle and working out, I'm going to take my Teflon tool and I'm just going to bend that back. Okay. And that's my 1/2 inch there. That's the pre-score line, and we'll go there. And then I'm going to take a piece of our red line tape, which is 3/8 of an inch wide, so it fits perfectly. It's double-sided tape, it's very strong, it's perfect for album making. Don't use finger lift tape because it won't be strong enough, and it'll work initially, but probably 6 months down the line, you'll find it starts to fall out. Okay, right, so that's burnished well there. Okay, it's folded there. I'm going to pop that on there. Now, if you find this difficult to line up, you can put a piece of white paper behind, and it's easier to see, because black on black lining up is difficult. So that's that there. That's there. And just fold it down. Okay, and that is your pocket page, and that will slot onto your spine hinges. So the most important thing you need to do as you make them up with your pocket like this, your page is going to be up that way, and then you number your page. So that's page 1, turn it over, page 2. So you've always got the orientation, the direction going the right way, because it is very easy to make a page up, turn it over, get distracted, you make a beautiful page up, and when you look at the other side, it's upside down. Okay, so that's just how to put the pages together.